Alright guys, in the last video we talked about how to cat out the contents of a file that has spaces in its file name. I know it's been a long time since we recorded a video for the next levels, but here we go. So our next level is going to be level 3 to 4. Now let us navigate to the page of OverTheWire and have a look at what it wants us to do. Alright, now that we are inside the level that we are currently going to attempt and solve, the level goal for this one is the password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. It's a really simple thing to do. We just have to locate this in here directory and we have to use a special but simple command to list everything inside it so that we can find the hidden file and we can list the contents of it to get the password for the next level. Alright, let's go back to a terminal. I already saved the password from the previous level because it's been such a long time, and in case you have lost it, you might want to redo it from level 0. It's not a long way. Again, you'll be refreshing some of the things, but in case you've already got it, which is good, let me just get the password really quick and we can go ahead and solve this level. So I have the password with me. I'll just paste it over here, do a control C though so that it's not lost in the terminal. And now let me put in the syntax to connect to Bandit 3. So we'll do SSH. You see I've already typed it once. Bandit 3, if I can type, at bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Let me just type it, man. It's dumb sometimes. And the port we want to connect to is 2220. I'll just hit enter and it should prompt me for a password at this point. Alright, that was a bit slow, but let's just put in the password. Let's hit enter. And there we are. We are inside the Bandit platform as the Bandit 3 user. Now, let me check if the in here directory is available, and it is. A simple ls inside the Bandit 3 users home directory gives us the in here directory. Let us use the change directory or the cd command and navigate over to the in here directory, and let's try listing the files that are available to us over here. Once we do that, you will see that there's nothing, there's no output. And the reason for this is because the file that we're looking for is hidden. So we'll be using another simple command, which is a flag that is used in addition to the ls command. So we'll do ls-al. And what this will do is this will list everything that is inside this in here directory, whether it is hidden or not. Let's just hit enter. And there we have it. We have a file that's called hiding from you, and it's obvious that this is the one that we're looking for. We can just get out the contents of this one really easily. We'll just hit tab after 3 dots and it just auto completes this. We hit enter and there we have it. We have the password to get in as the Bandit 4 user. Once you have that down and once you have that done, I'll see you in the next level.